this is the 513 find bottom left tree value of find bottom left tree value. So we are given the root of a binary tree. Return the leftmost value in the last row of the tree. These are the examples we are given. Okay. Constraint is the number of nodes in the tree is in the range of 1 to 10 power 4, and node dot value is less than equal to this. Okay. Okay. So how we can solve this question is we need to traverse the tree. Okay. And because we need to go to each node of the tree, so that we can know which is the bottom leftmost bottom in the tree. Okay. So how we are going to check that we need to go in depth to search for a particular. We need to go in the depth to search for a particular node. So what we will do is depth for search. Okay, so we are going to depth for search. Okay, we are going to depth for search because we need to go in the depth and it will check all the nodes, and with the method we are going to use is pre-order, because in pre-order what happens, it will check the root first, then left, and then right. And we need to check the root first because so that we can know which one is the left. In order and in post order it doesn't work. It means it can choose anyone as the left or anyone as the right. It just go to in order it just goes from left root right and then left right root, but in pre-order it will go first root, means it will check 2 first, then 1, then 3. So we are going to have something. Okay, so what we are going to do is depth for search. Okay, and the method we are going to use is pre-order. Okay, so I'm taking the first example here. So when I will do this, traverse the whole tree. Traverse means it will go to each node. Depth for search, it will go in the depth of search, and pre-order means root, then left, and then right. So what it will give me back is 2, then 1, 3. It is given also here. Similarly, in example number 2, what it will return is 1, then 2, 3, then it will return me 4, then it is null. Okay, then it will return 5, 6, then 7. Okay, so what is the leftmost here is 7. So you got it. Why are we using why are we traversing the tree and using depth for search, and then using the method of pre-order. So okay, we are using pre-order because if in case suppose we are using in order, let's suppose for a minute that we are using in order. So how it works, what happens in order is it will go left, then root, then right, and it will give 1. Okay, that will give me 2, that will give me 3. So how we are going to know which one is the left? Okay, let me tell you. It will go from left root right. Okay, it will go here, which is in left. Okay, this is 7. Then it will go to its root, which is 5. Then it will go to right, which is null. Okay, then it will go to left, which is 4. So this is so kind of jargon here, so we are not going to use it. We will only use the pre-order method. So how pre-order method, and we will use recursion to solve this. Okay, so at first I'm going to make a function dfs. Just wait for a minute. So okay, these are the methods I'm going to use, and first I'm going to declare my First, I'm going to initialize my variables, which are we need to go to the next step. Okay, and next what we need to find is bottom leftmost value. Bottom leftmost value. Okay, so we declare these 2 variables. Let me write it here. We need to initialize. Okay, so we initialize. Now I'm going to write a depth for search function here, which will be recursive function. This is tree node. Okay, so we are using recursion, so we need to give it a base condition. So the base condition will be that it is null. The current value of the node is null, so it will return the value. That's it. So it will be our base value. Okay, and the second argument will be int depth here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, if I'm going to write my base case here, if current is equal to null, then what I'm going to do is just return. Okay, and if it is not, then we are going ahead. If depth, okay, so depth is greater than maximum depth. Okay, if depth is greater than maximum depth, then what will happen, that it will assign the depth value to maximum depth. So what we are going to get is max depth equal to depth. Okay, and also what will be our bottom leftmost value? Bottom leftmost value, it will be correct. Okay, so now we need to call this function again and again to check. So we are going to call dfs here, and it will go, once it will check in left, and then it will go in right to check the whole values. Okay, right, then increase the depth from +1, because from depth plus, okay, let me explain it more. What it is doing is, here it is calling the function again. It is recursion. We are doing recursion here. So okay. So at first it checked here. It checked here. Okay. So it is not null. So it went down. It went into the else condition, and here depth is greater than maximum depth. Means depth is greater than 0. So maximum depth became our depth, and bottommost value became the current value. Okay. Then it will increase the depth by +1, and we will go one layer down. Then we will go one layer down, and then we will go one layer down. So this is how we are solving this. So let's run it and check our results. Okay, something depth. Tree node. int depth. No, I'm doing wrong. Function definition is not allowed here. Let me check. Not allowed here before token. Class function definitions and implemented because that you should place them outside. Don't know what is wrong here. Void TFS tree node star correct. Then int depth. Okay. Going to declare currently next depth equal to -1. And bottom left equal to 0 because it's going to type of from 1. No current value will be root and depth will be 0 initially, and then it will return what? Bottom left value. Here I am returning bottom left most value, and all set. Okay, so let's repeat. Let me run first. Is there some mistake? I'll check and I'll fix it. Then पूरे ट्री में, ठीक है। फिर हमने डेप्थ फर्स्ट सर्च लगाया है डेप्थ में जाने के लिए ट्री में, ताकि हम रूट से जाए, ठीक है। प्री ऑर्डर यूज़ हुआ है ताकि हम रूट से होते हुए डेप्थ में जाए, रूट लेफ्ट राइट, रूट लेफ्ट राइट, रूट लेफ्ट राइट। ओके, दैन हमने क्या किया है, इनिशियलाइज किया वेरिएबल्स हमारे। इसको मैं लिख देती हूँ। हमने अपने वेरिएबल्स और ठीक है, हमने अपने वेरिएबल्स इनिशियलाइज़ किए हैं, इनिशियलाइज़ किया, ठीक है। उसके बाद एंटी मैक्सिमम डेप्थ, एंटी बॉटम लेफ्ट मोस्ट वैल्यू। उसके बाद हमने अपना रिकर्सिव फंक्शन बनाया है, हाँ ठीक है। फिर हमने बेस केस दिया कि करंट वैल्यू डेप्थ हो जाएगी, देन बॉटम लेफ्ट मोस्ट वैल्यू और करंट वैल्यू। ओके, देन यहाँ पे रिकर्शन हुआ है। इनिशियली हमने फिर मैक्सिमम डेप्थ